Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be really interesting for me because today we're going to be talking about something I firmly believe in, and it's natural skincare. So I got a bunch of stuff over here and I cannot wait to test it all out. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing that, please stay tuned and watch the video. Okay guys, so before we start and dig into all of these beautiful products, first things first, I want to tell you a little bit about why I believe it's important to switch from your normal everyday skincare products to all natural skincare products. So we use a lot of skincare products daily. So we use hand washes, we use shampoos, face washes, we use moisturizers, body lotions, hand creams, a bunch of other creams and stuff like that. So I can't remember more, sorry. But we use a lot of skincare products, hair care products and beauty products in general, and we apply them to our skin, and our skin absorbs everything, and each one of these products contains some chemical ingredients that are potentially bad for you. Those ingredients are in small amounts, so they won't necessarily harm you, but long-term exposure can most definitely harm you. And given the amount of products that you use, the amount of different products which all contain some kind of chemicals in them, can create some serious damage in your body, as well as our diets that aren't that great nowadays. So it's no wonder cancer is on the rise and all those autoimmune diseases are on the rise, because we put so much bad stuff in our bodies. And I believe we can change, and I believe it's time to change and to start using stuff that will actually help us long term and not damage our health and our bodies and the thing that we are trying to protect in the first place. So yeah, if we can find products that can do that for us and that are actually good and perform their purpose, then I think that's the best solution we could ever hope to get. So yeah, now I'm going to go through all of these products and talk to you about each and every one of them. And yeah, let's do that. Okay, so beauty starts from within, and that's why the first item I'm going to be talking about is a dietary supplement, and it's this tea. Translated from Siberian language, the name of this tea, which I'm not going to attempt to pronounce, means a white swallow. And according to that legend, if a woman sees a white swallow, she is going to be young forever, and I believe that's beautiful. This tea is actually intended for women, to keep them healthy and beautiful and all of that great stuff. And it's not really that expensive. It's around 5 or 6 euros, something like that. And I highly recommend it, and it tastes great. So that's the tea. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It's very beautiful. The tea is very tasty. Most of these teas for women taste really bad, I would know. You get 30 tea bags inside, and these are great for menstrual pains, and they're great for menopause and generally for women's health. So these are the tea bags inside, and yeah, it's really tasty. I love this tea, so I drink it every day. Okay, so the second thing I got is actually this set, and in this set you get tonifying shower gel and a hand cream. So now I'm going to smell them. doesn't smell like much. It smells like health. It smells like plants. Yeah, like spa and like some different plants. It smells really nice actually. But it's not a strong, overpowering smell. Let's see the cream. If it smells the same or... No, it's not the same smell. It's not very greasy, it's very light. I really like it. Yeah, smells beautiful. It smells fresh. It smells healthy. Yeah, that's the right word. So let's see what this does. This tonifying shower gel with delicate scent of Siberian ginseng and invigorating touch of red cedar will energize your whole body. It's a luxurious formula enriched with natural hydrating substances, makes your skin feel soft, velvety and supple. That's this guy over here, and it's really nice. It has a nice rich foam, which I love. Let me just show you. So it's very clear in color and it's like jelly. It's not your typical texture, and as I've mentioned, the smell is really nice. The next product is the Siberian Spa Collection Siberian Ginseng Hand and Nail Cream. The feather-light texture is instantly absorbed, leaving no sticky feeling. The nourishing formula with Siberian ginseng and red cedar essential oils restores and smooths the hand skin, with keratin in its formula, and cream helps strengthen nails. Okay, so that's a great thing as well. So both of these are cruelty-free, not tested on animals, and they have no sulfites, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no synthetic dyes and fragrances. So that's always a plus. This one as well. They're both designed and produced in Siberia, and I believe that Siberian Health has access to some of their national parks where they can acquire the plants they need. And as you can see, this set is perfect for gifts, and gift giving season is just upon us, so yeah. Okay, so last but not least, I have two more products left, and they both have rosehip oil inside, and it's these two products. The first one, and my favorite product, is this one. This is the Siberian rosehip oil moisture lock fragrant mousse, and this is like a face moisturizer, but it's not a cream, it's not a gel, it's not a lotion, it's actually a mousse. It's so light, it's so airy, but it's so hydrating. It's really amazing, and I really love it. It's a moisturizer, but it's so light in texture that you can say it's like a mousse. It's very light in texture. The best way to apply it is just like this, by massaging it into the skin, and it gets absorbed really quickly. It's very light and airy. I've been applying this every morning and every night the last couple of days, and I can really see a change in my skin. 2 days ago I went out and I didn't even want to apply foundation because I didn't want to hide my skin. I'm feeling so good about my skin at the moment. I don't have any issues with my skin at all. It's so plump that my pores are barely visible. So that's something I really enjoy. And yeah, the last product, this one, I believe these two are a winning combination. You can even mix them together. I'm going to show you later. But this one is amazing as well because it helps you keep that moisture in to seal it and not let it come out. This is a face oil. And they both smell amazing. They smell like roses. The other products smell like herbs, different herbs. And these have an amazing smell because they have so much rose oil inside. You get a fair amount of product. I've been using it every day for maybe a week and I have so much left. I believe it will last for months. So yeah, those are all the products. Now I'm going to show you the website and maybe some other stuff, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is Siberian Wellness webpage. Here you can change your country and the language of the page. They have some amazing products, all natural, cruelty free, so I highly recommend them. They're very good. Now we're going to talk about some deals you can get on the page. So if you register and become a client and make your first purchase for $40, about 30 points, and get 5% bonus on your next purchase to your health budget account. Make purchases with your friends for $400, 300 points with any period of time, and get 10% bonus to your next purchase to your health budget account. If you make purchases totaling 100 points within the month and get 25% cash back credited to your health budget bonus account, which is amazing actually. And if a product is already discounted, you can still get it with this discount. These are some skincare products. They have many products, they have many lines. They've patented a technology that allows them to extract almost all the beneficial ingredients from a plant, which is amazing. And yeah, as you can see, most of them are really highly rated. There is one product in particular I wanted to talk about because it seems really interesting. I think it's on the next page. Okay, so this is the oil I was talking about. As you can see, it's $15 and it's really highly rated. And the face mousse. But the product I wanted to mention is this one over here. It's from the same line as that hand cream and body wash I was talking about. So this is a Siberian Ginseng face care cleaning plus scrub plus mask, and it's only $10. It's a really good product. I've heard so many good things about it and I cannot wait to test it out because this is the quickest skincare item you could ever hope to find, and if it's all natural, it must be amazing. So I'm looking forward to testing that one. If I get it, I will test it out on camera so you can see how it performs. Okay, and I believe that's it. And that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you can make some more informed decisions about your health in the future. And I highly recommend Siberian Health or Wellness. They're changing their name. If you want to check them out, I will link everything down below. So yeah, I hope to see you again soon. Bye!